Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to write lovely messages for mothers. Happy Mother's Day. First line, wishing you a happy Mother's Day, Mom. Next line, I am so lucky to have you as my mother. Next line, you are the light of my life and make every day brighter. Next line, you are the queen of our family. Next line, you are the best and wonderful mom in the world. I love you, Mama. Friends, give lovely messages to your mother and make her happy on this Mother's Day. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more latest videos.